Good morning. I am Sylvia, the crafty old lady. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. And I just realized this morning that I skipped over my Margarete Miller's Week 3 collage. We needed a page from an old book, which I have right here, from Alice in Wonderland. Something with stripes is my background for this cute little photograph. The photograph is a very old picture of my granddaughter, and that shows her true personality right there. She's so cute. A bird nest, colored tissue paper, and then I have an old shopping list underneath my photo. And so I don't know what happened to my footage or my completed video. That I'm pretty sure I filmed it, or maybe I wasn't filming. I don't know. But anyway, this is week 3 of Margarete Miller's challenge. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for this one and this one coming up. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.